Okay, we're detaching the starter motor, so we've now inverted the engine again after having watched the pistons go up and down for really no reason. And now we're going to remove the starter motor so that it just doesn't hang by wires there. So we've removed one spade connector, and now there's a big fat, that's the main power lead to the connector, to the starter. That needs to be removed, and that's that nut over there that you see. Okay, remove that.
I'm getting to it. Just try to decide. Probably like 14. Fairly much.
It's 13.
13?
Mm-hmm.
You know?
No, I don't know. It looks like a 13.
Ow. Keep that on me. Right. What does that sound?
Some home improvement task.
What is this even connected to?
It's connected by teeth to the crankshaft.
Oh, like this?
Yes. That's how it works. That's how it has worked since time immemorial. That's your centrifugal. It has a little centrifugal clutch thing. It just goes and disengages.
Oh, so it's running all the time?
Yep. Crankshaft teeth, all the teeth seem fine. Okay.
I mean, what would wrong with the teeth?
Well, they do break, you know?
We don't need a new flywheel, do we?
No. Racing flywheel?
Has it ever been changed?
No. Why would you change a flywheel?
They need to get resurfaced and stuff occasionally.
Come on. Okay, and these, right? We're just going to remove them one by one, and the pistons will go kerthunk.
Yeah. Like very kerthunk. Which is my word.
Yes, so how about
Can
that?
you hang the breaker bar? Gracias.
ಈ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಇದು ಲೇಬಲ್ ಮಾಡದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ಯಾ
Which one?
ಇದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮೂರಿದೆ
Oh yeah, from the oil pump. No, there's more. There a couple more in there?
There are 3.
No, it's a little baby one.
Okay.
Baby ones.
Right?
I don't actually remember what the baby
ಏನು ಮಾಡಲಿ ಈಗ ಅದನ್ನ
The baby one? What is this one? It's a... sort of like an oil pump things.
So the oil pump and the ಬರ್ಕೋತೀನಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋಣ
Where is that oil pump? Over here. See, there's one there. I thought it was the oil pump. No, I've already put that one back in. I took pictures of it, so now I don't know. I'm not sure.
What else could it be?
It's not. I put that oil pump guy back in.
Watch out, you're stuck, don't stop.
It's something stupid. Oh, it's this guy.
Oh, the
It's one of those guys. Yeah. No, that's, there should be two there.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಇದು these guys, right?
there's a diamond thing
No, there's one here, and then there's one here. So there should be two in that napkin.
I think there are. There are 2.
Yes.
Oil pump.
Like oil pump tubing.
Yeah.
Okay. We'll do the worst piston first,
Sure.
or does it even matter?
no doesn't matter but we can do this piston first and see how it drops
Well, they really, because I think all the pistons need to go into there.
Yeah, they all for sure. Absolutely. I don't think if the pistons work, we're not going to replace them. 3/8. What? Right here. Jesus.
Is it coming out?
Yeah.
Oh, that's seriously high torque. I think you should use a breaker bar and adapter. Yes. Is that the worst piston?
Yeah.
So you think it's just gonna
I
drop out?
don't think it's gonna just drop out.
Why wouldn't it though?
I'm not sure. Certainly doesn't look like it's going to.
Because not tugging at your...
Yeah.
Think we should consult Mr. Bentley?
So that little bearing bushing came out. Okay. There. Okay, it's gonna go. Yeah.
Is it out?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna push at it. There'll be piston rings there, right? So
Oh my god, okay.
is it supposed to come out from this side?
Yeah, I'm
You
pretty
know?
sure. Yeah, that's what I've seen. This chain is really annoying, man.
ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಕ್ರೂ ಡ್ರೈವರ್ ಇಂದ ಪುಷ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತಲ್ಲ?
There's a lot of crap here.
Yeah, but can you just push it with the screwdriver or crowbar and there's space enough to do that?
I'm not gonna push it too hard, man. Oh, I did come out further though.
Yeah, well, you don't want to score the the cylinder wall, so you're not nowhere near the cylinder wall, are you?
No,
When you're pushing.
I'm not, but I was using.
Well, this one you can pull yank with the hook, maybe it'll come out. But I don't know what you'll do to that with the others.
Yeah. You wanna look it up?
Yeah, I'll look it up. I'll print it out.
How? See, this one looks like.
So pull at it with the hook, with that big hook. ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇದೆ.
Hey, hold on. Just Google it. Where's the big hook?
ಕೆಳಗಡೆ under the engine.
Wow, really? Look at
It's just a time lapse.
There's no way. Okay. popped out.
Oh, it did.
Yeah.
What did you do?
I just
Pulled it,
pushed on it. Pulled it. I hope I didn't score the inside of the cylinder, though. That'd been annoying.
No, I don't think you would have. Piston rings iruttala, that would prevent it from just popping out
Popping out.
easily.
Yeah, I know. But there must be a better way.
Yeah, let me look at this service manual.
That's cool.
Interesting. I thought it was just sitting in there.
Yeah, it's for the external.
This is all probably unobtainium stuff.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm just going to go fire up the mentally manual and see.
Just Google how to take pistons.
I did, but it's not useful.
What?
It wasn't useful.
Why? These are pretty light, you know?
Yeah.
It's crazy that these take so much power.